What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing fantastic. My name is Tyson here with Repair My Funnel, and in this video, we're going to be talking about one-step automations inside of ClickFunnels 2.0. What is a one-step automation, you might be asking? Now, it's basically just a mini workflow that you can create inside of ClickFunnels here to automate a lot of the smaller tasks that don't require a full-on workflow, if that makes sense. Now, to demonstrate this, let's head over to my screen here and click on landing pages directly. When we land on landing pages, you'll see a couple different options, but the one that we're looking for primarily here is going to be this little guy right here. The lightning bolt with a 0 as of right now. Just click on that directly and you'll see a little pop-up. And in this pop-up, we can add new automation. Let's start with the left side of this equation first, which is adding a trigger. All right, if you click on that, you'll see 3 different options. The first one is to opt in, the second is to visit a page, and the third is page view. In this case, I'm going to go with opt-in, and from here, let's go ahead and add an effect, which is basically just another way of saying an outcome after someone meets that trigger point that we created. Okay. Now, as far as what you see here, it's very limited. You don't have very many options as far as what you can do with this, but it is really meant for the smaller tasks, such as adding the notes, going in and adding the tag here, right? Or even triggering an actual workflow. Totally up to you, but it's really meant for the smaller tasks that don't require a full-on workflow. If you want something more advanced than this, you might as well go over here to automations and just build out a fully custom workflow or automation with a lot more capabilities and features. Anyways, for this example, we'll go with add a contact tag, and we'll go with the Tech Time newsletter tag there and create the step. From here, the last thing you have to do is actually turn this guy on by clicking on this little switch on the left-hand side. Now, at this point, your one-step automation is good to go, and whenever someone meets the actual requirement there or the trigger that you set up, the tag will be added or whatever outcome you created there. All right, that is it, guys. Hopefully this was helpful. If it was, fantastic. If it wasn't, and you still have some lingering questions that you need help with, make sure to let us know down below and we'll point you in the right direction. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our Tech Time newsletter that is sent out every single Monday with different tips, tricks, and guides just like this directly to your inbox. Aside from that, have a fantastic day and we'll catch you in the next video.